Welcome back, financial enthusiast. Are you ready to dive deep into the financial abyss of one of the most intriguing companies out there? Buckle up because we're about to take a roller coaster ride through the metrics and mysteries of 3M Company. Picture this, a stocks P ratio, the holy grail for many investors. 3M's PRTTM stands at 10.29, painting a modest picture. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the forward-looking PR stands at 12.20. It's like peering through a crystal ball into the company's future. Is to be mentioned that the 5-year average price-to-earnings ratio sits at 15.65, so both indicators may suggest an undervaluation. Ever heard of the PG ratio? It's like the GPS for growth-hungry investors. At 2.25, 3M seems to be signaling caution on the growth front. But hey, sometimes the best gems are found in the rough patches, right? With insider ownership at 6.29%, it seems like the bigwigs at 3M are keeping their skin in the game. A vote of confidence or a calculated risk? You decide. Riding the wave of returns, 3M boasts impressive figures: return of equity at 29.77%, return of assets at 8.76%, and return of invested capital at 26.2%. It's like hitting the jackpot in the world of finance. At $9.66 per share, 3M's earnings are no small potatoes. But wait, there's a twist. The next 5 years forecast a growth rate of 4.57%. Will it be smooth sailing or stormy weather ahead? Speaking of rising dough, check out the evolution of earnings per share and free cash flow per share over the past decade. With compound annual growth rates of 2.87% and 0.67% respectively, 3M is suffering a very flat evolution. With a dividend yield of 3.49% and a decade-long growth rate of 8.09%, 3M has been a favorite among dividend investors. But brace yourselves because a dividend cut is looming on the horizon, signaling a shift in the winds of fortune. It is expected that their dividend will be cut to 40% free cash flow payout ratio. So it means that the quarterly dividend will stand around 65 cents and 3M Company will no longer be a dividend king. Let's step into the kitchen and take a look at the operating margin, simmering at a flavorful 17.23%. Additionally, its profit margin stands at a healthy 11.36%. That's the secret behind the 3M recipe for profitability. Now, let's slice into the evolution of revenue and earnings over the past 8 years. It has had flat evolution of earnings and revenue until 2022, and then the last year has had a drop in earnings. This situation has been reflected in 3M Company market price, since it has obtained a lower total return than VO during the last 5 years. With a debt-to-equity ratio of 4.39, 3M seems to be carrying quite the load on its shoulders. But fear not, because in the long run, it's holding steady at 4.17. Will it weather the storm or drown in debt? In a market filled with twists and turns, 3M's performance has been a roller coaster ride. With a minus 6.03% return over the last 52 weeks, it's been a bumpy road. But hey, every roller coaster has its ups and downs, right? Finally, what do the analysts say? With an average price prediction of $104.49 in the next 12 months, there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. But hold your horses because my crystal ball says $113.67, signaling a potential undervaluation. So there you have it, folks. 3M Company, a treasure trove of financial wonders waiting to be explored. Will you take the plunge or watch from the sidelines? The choice is yours. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing.